This product on Etsy makes more than $200 in just 2 months. That's why. 1 month ago, I decided to try myself, and then try make this product with only AI. And surprisingly, this product sold more than $1,000 in just only 1 month. In this video, I will tell you how I found and how to make this winning product. And I did all of that with $0. First, let's set up our tools. I want you to go to everbee.io because without these apps, this strategy won't work out. You can sign your first account and download that extension for your browser. After it's complete, everything is done for our setup. Now, I'm going to tell you how I search for a new winning product for me. You go to Etsy.com and you can choose one from this list that I try and work for me. Either clip art, printable, or AI art. Let's try clip art this time. As you can see, there are so many lists of clip art on these pages. Like this one, this store sold almost 800 orders from this clip arts alone. I won't copy this one because it doesn't mean this product is still going well to this day. That number is accumulated from all orders from that seller up till now. This is when Everbee is doing its part, as you can see on our left. There are some Everbee features, but in this video, you're just going to use this one feature, which is product analytics. What it will do is Everbee will make a list of all the products from these pages and give us insight about that product from name, seller, price, monthly total sales, monthly revenue, total sales, all time, reviews, and how long this product has been on Etsy. What we want to look at is the newest product that is still making sales until now. So I want you to search for a 1 to 2 month old product that I think there's a high chance that the product will be generated by AI and make a monthly revenue minimum of $100. And I suggest you skip it if that product has ads. Like this one. Here I found a product that meets my criteria. This bunny with flowers is just 2 months old but already made more than $200. But when I found that product 1 month ago, that product was just made around $100. Now let's copy this one, but we are not going to duplicate that one and make the same. We want to become Richard Prince. He was a great copycat in the early 2000s, which makes one of his most successful works a copycat paint called Untitled Cowboy, which featured photographs of cowboys taken from a Marlboro cigarette ad campaign. He just enlarged the images and added his own touches. That paint alone makes him millions of dollars at auction. What did he do? He just make a change, but just a tiny little bit. That's what we will do to this product. Now we open our MidJourney Discord, and if you are still unfamiliar with using MidJourney, you can go to that video where I explain in detail how to use MidJourney and some tips when using it. Then we begin with a slash and imagine. The trickiest part is to create a prompt to make MidJourney can make a similar style to that one. So if I go back to that product and see what I can find, like this one bunny with flower wreath, you can copy it to MidJourney. Next, we can copy watercolor also. Besides that, I can't find another clue anymore, so I think that's all we can get from that title. Then we can try to improve it with our imagination. Rabbit with flower wreaths and flower wreaths on head paint and watercolor. Now, as you can see, this one is already almost identical to the one we want to make. So we already have the prompt. Next, we go ask ChatGPT for some ideas. Let's try give me 10 ideas for bunnies and flower clip art. Now, that's what I'm talking about. A bunny holding a bouquet of flowers. It sounds original. Now we back to MidJourney prompt to make our own product. Cute rabbit standing holding a bouquet of flowers in watercolor with full white background. Yep, this is the one. I already love it. Just a little more variation than we get this one. Let's just upscale it, then we open it in a new browser and we can save it. Now for the last step to make it become clip art, we just need to clear that white background. You can go to canva.com. If you haven't made an account for Canva, you can make one in the link I dropped in the description box down below. You go to custom size image. I usually go 4096 by 4096 so my customer can get a very crisp and clear image. You drop that image, and what I do is I just go to upsize this image to fill all that pages. After that, go to edit the photo as you can see, and you click BG remover, then Canva will remove all this image background. All I need, just export it with transparent background. Or you can go to remove BG web to do it for free and also without watermark. And there you go, I already make one clip art in just no time and simple. You can make it around 15 like me, and you can start making money from Etsy. Listen, AI is changing the world around us as we know it. You can either choose to ride it on or just passing trend or start taking advantage of that massive opportunity that is already open to you. But ultimately, the choice is yours. Hey, you're amazing, and I appreciate you so much for being here. Remember, you can accomplish anything in this world. I support you, and I believe in you. Best of luck for you and your AI journey.